Wow, I get a ton of great questions, both on my YouTube and Instagram channels, JCN Law. And many of the questions are terrific. But I just want to make a quick video here and try to explain that the questions always seem to create even more questions. And I can't leave a detailed answer in the comments section of a YouTube or Instagram video without gathering more information. Now, if you're a viewer, you have to realize I'm not giving legal advice. So if you have a detailed question, let's say multi-jurisdictional question, different countries, or you're thinking about getting married in some far-off land and you want to know if the assets in your domicile can somehow be protected, you don't want to ask those kind of questions that require intelligent, detailed answers. And you certainly don't want to take advice in the comments section of a social media platform. That's stupidity, right? So the point of the video is the questions are great, okay? They feed my ideas for making different videos, and it tells me what people are interested in hearing about. But if you have a question that is reminiscent of a bar exam hypothetical or a first-year law school exam question with a very convoluted fact pattern, or a question that requires a detailed analysis of what your goal is and what you're trying to do, you don't want to be asking those questions, because the answers that you get are, first, not legal advice, and two, the room that any creator would have in the comment section is minuscule. They'll probably have a ton of other questions for you too about it. So keep the questions coming, because it fuels the topics, and I love reading them. I'm about to do a couple of videos on questions that I recently got that can be addressed in a broad sense. So leave a comment, include a question if there's something you want me to talk about. But if your question is so specific, chances are you could be anywhere in the world. That's the beauty of this, the reach of YouTube. But unless you speak to a licensed attorney in your jurisdiction with your specific fact pattern, you're not going to get good information. So be smart about it, especially something regarding marriage, divorce, assets. Be smart. You don't want to be expecting or using information that you get online. Now, if you're jacking up your car and you're looking for the jack points on your car, maybe it's a good idea to go online and see if there's a master technician that's already jacked up your car, or go online looking for information. But divorce law and law in general doesn't lend itself to properly address some of the questions that some people seem to have, okay? Like, comment, leave a question. I'll try to address it, or at least address the topic. Subscribe. It's still free. We're growing. Get on the train, man. Train's growing. And be careful out there.